screen is so big.
Charging they have to. Nah, that's terbalik ya.
So 이거 보면 이것도 플라스틱이에요. I think the balloon there is expensive. When you move this plastic,
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. This one. You can still see the whole thing. This is the. Oh yeah. No, no, it's okay.
Good as a TV.
Yeah, it's just. I don't know whether good for eyesight. It's too big. It's too big. Okay, so salah. Okay.
so which one you always put? You want to reopen, so for now you put
Yeah.
Then how do you so big.
There's the baby. It's a new baby on the prank.
GHz 6-core 8 generation Intel Core i5 processor, 1 TB. 1 TB. And this is the latest edition. This is the 2019 edition. So far, after using for a few weeks, I feel that it increases my productivity. When I export the files after finishing my video editing, it took me less than, I think, about 5 to 7 minutes for me to finish exporting the file. But on my MacBook Air, it took about at least 20 minutes to finish exporting the file. So it is really very slow. And sometimes I edit on Filmora 9. I realized there are some bugs or something, or it's just the whole thing just slows down. When I start to add on more editing to my video, like add on effects and transitions, my whole MacBook Air will hang and sometimes just shut off by itself. So it is really very annoying. So there's another model which is a smaller one, 21.5 inch. The price is not that big difference. It's priced at $2,189 Singapore dollars, and I didn't want to get that because I feel that just a few $100 difference, so might as well get a bigger one. And the bigger one is actually quite sleek. At first I'm still afraid that it is too big and I can't fit my desk, but actually it's very sleek, and because they don't have a CPU, it's all together with the monitor, so you don't have another CPU underneath the desk. So yeah, so it's actually very thin, very slim, and it's very close to the wall, so it's very space saving. And the keyboard also is very sleek, very light and sleek, and it's wireless. The only thing is you need to charge the with the lightning cable. You need to charge the keyboard. And for the mouse also, it's very sleek. And one thing very funny is the point is at the bottom, so when you are charging, right, you need to charge like this, and you can't use the mouse while you're charging. So I think this is one of the downside. I would suggest that they make the point over somewhere on top, at least when you are charging the mouse, that you can use. So I have tried using this watching movie and watching videos. The quality is very good because it's a 5K Retina display, so the sound system is actually very good as well. So I would highly recommend video creators and YouTubers out there to invest in a good and high quality processor. Not necessary to get iMac. You can actually get those normal desktop like HP or Lenovo. Other brands is fine as long as the processor is fast. I'm not very good at tech stuff, but I'm an Apple user all this while. I'm so used to using Mac iOS. That's why I just upgrade from using MacBook to iMac. So I hope that you have enjoyed my little Apple Store tour and my Apple Store buying experience. And I hope that you find my little review on this iMac useful. If you do like it, please give it a thumbs up and share my video. And if you are new here, please subscribe to me and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So I will see you on my next one. Bye!